In this video, we will review SiriusXM's fish mapping fishing recommendations information using a Garmin display. Let's start by clicking on the fish mapping icon on the home screen. After clicking on the fish mapping icon on the home screen and selecting Menu, you will see three tabs listed at the top of the screen. When the top tab is selected, the fish mapping menu is available. By clicking on the Layers menu, you can access the fish mapping features. The last button under Layers will give you access to fishing recommendations. After you click on Fish Recommendations, you will see a drop-down menu. Next, press the arrow button to the right to access a submenu, which allows you to select different types of fish. And any or all species can be selected by tapping the button until the green bar next to the desired fish is shown. In locations where conditions are ideal for each selected species, a colored shape will appear that corresponds with the species, as referenced in the legend at the top left corner of the screen. Once you have selected the desired fish types, press Menu to view fish recommendations on the full screen. Note, recommendations are created by oceanographers and updated twice per week on Tuesday and Friday mornings. They should be treated as a prediction or forecast and are not based on catch reports. Fish recommendations are based on specific oceanographic data for each species, including water temperature, plankton, sea height, and bottom contours, to name a few. If these key data elements are not prominent enough in a given area for our oceanographers to include a recommended species of fish, then this area will be left without a recommendation. In such instances, fish mapping users should overlay the individual fish mapping features, like plankton front strength and/or sea surface temperature front strength, to determine the areas where fish will most likely be found. The likelihood or probability of locating game fish will ultimately increase by using several fish mapping layers in combination. Generally speaking, areas with any fishing recommendations, regardless of the specific species shown, demonstrate locations that are much more likely to have bait fish and other key oceanographic features that attract game fish. For additional information and specific fish mapping feature videos, please visit our fish mapping website at SiriusXM.com/fish mapping. For videos specific to your brand of display, visit our marine video library at SiriusXM.com/marine library. And for even more about using SiriusXM Marine, visit our YouTube channel at youtube.com/SXM Marine. In addition, please follow us on our social media sites. And if you have questions, feedback, or would like to share a story, please email us at marine.support@SiriusXM.com. And if you have specific questions about your Garmin hardware, please email marine.training@garmin.com. Thank you for watching.